Oh my god, it's 5 a.m. Come on! I can't put away the logbook! I'm just looking at the logbook! Please? 6 a.m.? Hey everybody, Kid Cody here. How y'all doing today? So today we are playing Five Nights at Freddy's Rewritten. This is a FNAF fan game. This was from Game Jolt. I saw this. I was going through Game Jolt trying to find something to play, and I'm stumbled across this game, and I haven't seen any YouTube videos of it. This is my first impression of the game. Everything looks pretty sick. Obviously, I wanted to play some games on the channel because I don't want to just take just reactions. Reaction videos are not going anywhere. Just every once in a while, you'll see a non-reaction video pop up. But hey, I can't wait to play this, so we're just gonna hop in. New game. Are you sure? Yes, I'm sure. Bro, even the newspaper looks sick. Help wanted, Freddy vs. Pizza. Family pizzeria looking for a security guard to work the night shifts, 12 a.m. to 6 a.m. Monitor cameras, sheriff safety of equipment and animatronics. Characters, no response of 120 a week. Whoa! That's so sick! And you lean up like that too? That's so sick.
Hello?
Hey, man.
I wanted to leave a set of pre-recorded messages for you to help you get settled in
and I have a
few
note?
nights.
Yo, this is cool.
I actually worked in that office before you. I'm finishing up my last week now, as a matter of fact. So, I know it can be a bit overwhelming, but I'm here to tell you there's nothing to worry about. You'll do just fine. So,
are they already gone?
Focus on getting you through your first week, okay? Let's see.
They're already gone.
First, there's an introductory greeting from the company that I'm supposed to read. It's kind of a legal thing, you know. Welcome to Freddy Fazbear's Pizza, a magical place for kids and grown-ups alike.
Oh, they're all both there.
Hey! Comes to life. Fazbear Entertainment is not responsible for damage to property or person.
Right here.
Upon discovering that damage or death has occurred, a missing person report will be filed within 90 days, or as soon as property and premises have been thoroughly cleaned, bleached, and the carpets have been replaced.
Oh,
blah, blah,
shit.
Blah. Now, that might sound bad, I know, but there's really nothing to worry about. The animatronic characters here do get a bit quirky at night, but do I blame them? No. If I were forced to sing those same stupid songs all this time and I never got a bath, I'd probably
you can see him moving. What the
too. So remember, these characters hold a special place in the hearts of children, and we need to show them a little respect, right? Okay.
Bro, this is more
just be aware, the characters do tend to wander a bit. They're left in some kind of free-roaming mode at night. Something about their servos locking up if they get turned off for too long. They used to be allowed to walk around during the day too, but then there was the bite of 87. Yeah. Now, concerning your safety, the only real risk to you as a night guard here, if any, is the fact that these characters, well, they're pretty technologically advanced. And if they see you after hours, they probably won't recognize you as a person. Yeah. Instead, they might see you as a metal endoskeleton without its costume on. Now, since that's against the rules here at Freddy Fazbear's Pizza, they'll probably try to forcefully stuff you inside a Freddy Fazbear suit.
Where's Chica?
Now, that wouldn't be so bad if the suits themselves didn't have mechanical pieces to lock the endoskeleton into place. So, you could imagine how having your head forcefully pressed inside one of those could cause a bit of discomfort and death.
Okay, she's over there.
The only parts of you that would like to see the light of day again would be your eyeballs and teeth. When they
Bro, Bonnie's already coming back for me, dude! What the fuck?
They don't tell you these things when you sign up. But hey, first day should be a breeze. I'll chat with you tomorrow.
No,
check those cameras, and remember to close those doors only if absolutely necessary. Gotta conserve power. Alright, Good night.
Oh, fuck. Why is that so loud? I'm so scared. Hey, I closed that door early. Oh, fuck. Chica's on her way to get my ass. It's 4 a.m.? Fuck you. Is Bonnie gone? Where the fuck is he? Oh shit, okay, you're gone. You're gone. Power's almost gone, bro. Oh my fucking god. Oh shit. No! The power is already gone. What the fuck? I should have been conserving power. What time is it? I think it's like 5 a.m. Oh my god, it's 5 a.m. Come on! I can't put away the logbook. I'm just looking at the logbook. Please. 6 a.m. Why is he just staring? He's staring at me dead. Oh my god! Okay. Holy shit! Oh my god, okay. Let me move my mic away, because I might be too loud. But okay, let's continue. If I'm too loud, I'll lower it down in the editing. Don't tell me. I was gonna say my game almost got. You guys saw that shit, right? Okay. Alright, can I mute the guy? Yeah. I listened to it once, okay. Oh, this is so quiet before. Okay. Okay. They move right away, so you gotta make sure you, like, pay attention. Chica's already gone. Where did she go? Was that her? No. Okay, she's over there. What? Okay. Okay, he's there. Okay. Alright, 1 a.m. 1 a.m. Oh! Oh, he's in backstage. Okay, he's still over there. That's good, that's good, that's good. Okay, I need to lock in if I want to beat this night. Oh my god, Bonnie's leaving. Where's Chica? She's in the kitchen? Where are they at? Can I turn the fan on at least? Why is it so quiet? Okay, Chica's there. Good. And then Bonnie is there. We're chilling. I'll put some classic FNAF 1 ambience noise, just so it's not just quiet for you guys. I hate they could hear them start walking towards me. Alright, Chica's gone. I don't see him at all. I'm conserving power, that's good. Alright, it's 3 a.m. Haven't basically used any of my power. Alright, Chica's there. Bonnie's there. This is good. They were after my ass for like 3 a.m. the last round. I'm sorry for the blurry camera. I might have to use manual focus from now on. Chica's already gone. Bonnie's gone as well. Alright, oh, he's in the back hall. Okay. Chica's in the entrance. Okay. So they're all not even close to me. That's good. That's good. Can I do this like? Whoa! I can go like ahead. Okay. All right. Chica's. Ooh, Chica moved. She's over there. Okay, good. We're good. None of them has came after us yet. It's 4 a.m. Obviously, you could the pen when writing down the week. It is so it's so obviously loud as hell. So you can hear when they're writing it down. Oh, he's by Pirate's Cove. He's starting to come towards me. Chica's. She's moving. Where's she going now? Alright, 5 a.m. Shit. Slowly. Now the ambulance comes in. Oh! Oh! 5 a.m. I can close that. It's 5 a.m. She goes over there still. Bonnie's about to get my ass. It's 5 a.m. I could do that. Like I have my. Holy shit! I only have 82%. Let's go! Just needed 2 tries. I just needed to do 2 tries and I had it. Holy shit! It's a lot more like stressful than the first game. All right, I think I'm in focus. I'm not sure, but okay. Not 2, baby. Let 2. We're gonna do night 1 and 2. Maybe in a future episode we'll do 3 and 4. Maybe. Okay, we got night 2. We got week 2.
Hello.
Hey, man.
Well, if you're hearing this and you made it to day 2, congrats. I won't talk quite as long this time since Freddy and his friends tend to become more active as the week progresses. It might be a good idea to peek at those cameras while I talk, just to make sure everyone's in their proper place.
They both left at the same time!
Interestingly enough, Freddy himself doesn't come off stage very often. I heard
always
he
on night
becomes a
4.
lot more active in the dark, though.
Night 4.
Hey, I guess that's one more reason not to run out of power, right?
Night 4.
I
It's
also
always night
wanted
4.
to emphasize the importance of using your door lights.
She's already leaving.
There are blind spots in your camera views, and those blind spots happen to be right outside of your doors. So if you can't find something or someone on your cameras, be sure to check the door lights.
In the bathroom.
You might only have a few seconds to react. Not that you would be in any danger, of course. I'm not implying that. And if one of them gets close to your office, I know it can be startling. They're a lot bigger than a lot of people think. But something that helps me calm down is checking the lights after they leave. I guess just proving to yourself that it's no big deal helps sometimes. Also, check on the curtain in Pirate Cove from time to time. The character in there seems unique in that he only really moves when you aren't looking at him on camera. I guess he doesn't like being watched. You could probably trick him into thinking that you're still watching him if you keep his camera selected before closing the monitor. I don't know. Anyway, I'm sure you have everything under control. Talk to you soon.
Chica's not there anymore. Oh, yeah, she's coming after me, of course. Alright, I don't want Foxy's ass coming after me. Holy shit. The ambulance should have kicked in by now. I don't like this at all. I hate that so much. Fuck you. What did I write down? Okay. Oh, Fox is about to come out. Oh, shit. Nope. I know Chica just left. I saw her walk away. So where's she now? Are you serious? Foxy's already coming out of his fucking cove? I'm watching your ass. Bonnie, are you still there? No, you're not. Okay, I can close this damn. I can open that damn door. He's going back on stage? I hope he's going back on stage. No, he's not. He is not. What even time is it? It's already 4 a.m. Oh, fuck that. Fuck you. Not happening. That door's staying closed. Fuck you. You're coming too. What the fuck? Freddy, you still looking at me? What the fuck? Bonnie's going in there. Fox is gone. Well, Chica's getting close to me. I know that for sure. Oh my god, 5 a.m. Come on. Oh my god! Holy shit! Oh! God damn! That's so stressful, dude. Holy shit. That is so stressful. Foxy, you're my favorite character, but god damn, you're creepy as fuck. Well, I'm gonna leave this episode here. I really like the look of this game. It's so much in detail and it's just more scary now. It's like it's more scary than the original game. I'm gonna link the game down below. If you want to go out, try it for yourself, you can. If you want to see another episode, give this video 10 likes and I'll do a part 2. I'll do night 3 and 4. If you like this video, hit the like button. If you want to see more of myself, please subscribe. I'm trying to get 500 subscribers, so if you want to help me out, please hit the subscribe button. I really appreciate it. While you're down there, you can hit the notification bell. Never miss anything of mine. All my socials are down there, so if you want to go check those out. My name is Cat Cody, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace out.
In slow motion. Come stay the night, we can stay up till it's bright. In the morning, got the top open. Come take a ride, we can go where you like. I wanna see you in slow motion. Come stay the night, we can stay up till it's bright. In the morning, got the top open. Come take a ride, we can go where you like.